Are you tired of your clothes getting damaged during the wash cycle? Luckily, Samsung has the right solution for you. Introducing Samsung 7 kg fully automatic top-loading washing machine. With the innovative diamond drum feature, this washing machine is really hard on stains while being supremely gentle on your clothes. Its unique soft curl design with smooth diamond-shaped ridges and small water exit holes helps protect the fabric by minimizing the cases of trapped and damaged clothes. The 7 kg capacity of Samsung washing machine is perfect for a family of 3 to 4 members. It's the ideal size for tackling laundry loads without feeling overwhelmed. The magic filter feature in the Samsung washing machine is a game changer for laundry day. It effectively gathers the lint, fluff and particles that come out of your laundry, keeping the unpleasant smudges away from whites and darks and protecting the drainage from getting clogged up. A common problem with washing machine is bad odor and build-up in the washer. The EcoTub Clean feature in this washing machine keeps the top-load washer fresh without harsh chemicals. Its once-on wash mode is specifically designed for India and gives your clothes a rinse and spin, which reduces drying time during the rainy season. And with the added safety of child lock, you can wash your clothes worry-free even when your little ones are around. The Samsung washing machine comes with a 2-year comprehensive warranty, giving you peace of mind and ensuring you are covered with anything that goes wrong. Are you as excited as we are about the features of the Samsung washing machine? Don't wait any longer to upgrade your laundry game. You can easily buy it on Amazon with the convenience of scheduled delivery, no-cost EMI options, an exchange program for your old washing machine along with the option of open box delivery in select pin codes.